Repair corrupted, broken, or damaged PDF files with the help of Recoveryfix PDF Repair software. Restore text, images, digital signatures, and more without disrupting the original formatting and structure. Let's begin the detailed video tutorial for repairing PDF files. Open the tool and click on the Add Files option to proceed. Then, go to the location where PDF files are stored on your system. Select either a single or multiple PDF files and open them to add to the software. If you have selected incorrect PDF files by mistake, then use the Remove Files or Remove All Files option to unselect them. After confirming the added files, tap on the Repair option to continue. Later, provide the location to save the repaired files and click OK to proceed. The software will start repairing the added PDF files. Check the live progress status on your screen and wait for its completion. Once done, a pop-up message, File Repair Process is completed, along with the saved folder location will appear. Note down the saved folder location to access it later, and click OK. Finally, tap on Finish option to close the application by selecting Yes in the confirmation wizard. And don't forget to check out the official website to know more about the software. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button.